Welcome to the last part of our video discussion regarding the research methodology in your research proposals for SIPs. Now, after you have written the materials and methods of your, let's say, research methodology, right after the last method or the last subheading of your methods in material and methods, you will now be writing the treatments and general procedures. So this is the format. Okay, so you will be writing a subheading of treatments and general procedures in boldface type right after the, let's say, last discussion of the general methods. So we have here the treatments and general procedures. So how do we write the treatments and general procedures? Notice, class, the words highlighted in red. So we have setup A, setup B, setup C, setup D, setup E, setup F, G, H, I, J, and K. Okay, so these are, as you can see, these are the different setups present in our study. And these setups that are present in our study are known as the treatments. Okay, so class, in writing the treatments and general procedures, you must identify the different steps or treatments, okay, and its components that will be utilized in our study. So as you can see here, we have the different treatments. Example, setup A. What will be the component of the setup A? 100% Catmull D, 0% distilled water. What will be the components of setup B? Okay, 75%, 25%, and so on and so forth. So in the treatments and general procedures part, you will identify the different treatments that will be used in your study, as well as the components present in this, let's say, in the said setup or treatment. And then lastly, okay, we have here this part and this part. So the first part states that the researcher will prepare the catmon leaves and turmeric to be ready for cutting extraction through the means of scissors and methane extraction. The researcher will want about 1 kilogram of plant sample per extraction. Okay, that will be required for both variables. And then at the end part, the researcher stated that, okay, overall, the research design consists of 11 setups with 3 varying trials each. One experimental unit per setup is required. There will be different setups with the same components and trials per type of experimental unit. Okay, so this part, okay, if the middle part of our treatments and general procedures are considered to be the treatments, the preliminary and the conclusion part of our treatments and general procedures are actually the summary of the general procedures. Okay, so the preliminary part is the, let's say, preliminary procedures of your study. So what should be done before the conduct of the treatments. Okay, and then the conclusion is, let's say, what should be done after the treatments. Okay, expound it in one paragraph. Expound the treatments and general procedures in one paragraph. So that concludes our discussion regarding the treatments and general procedures.